Hey everybody! Today I'm doing a recreation of a swipe, which is video 347. And considering I'm like 400 over that, so it was about a year and a half ago. So I rewatched the video and we're gonna see what I can do. And so the rest of this just says, be sure and check out that video description. It's got all sorts of good info. Alrighty. I'm even using the same canvas I used on that video because I still have one left because I don't like it. It is so thick. It's 2.5 inches. So it is a huge canvas. And this is what it is, the edge from Jerry's Artorama, I believe. So I just mixed up Prussian blue, got ARTEZA Carmine red, yellow, Artist Loft green yellow, and Liquitex Basic bright aqua green. I didn't have the exact colors that I used in that video, but these will work. I think I'm going to do, in that one I put the white on first. I think I'm going to put the color on first. And I'm using both greens because I don't think I have enough in here, but we will see. So let's see, I wrote down the order. Blue. Ooh, that is runny. Way runny. Yellow. Red. I had another yellow. I'm going to keep it the same. And another blue. And then I must have only had one row of teal. But I feel I want a little bit more. It's not teal, bright aqua green, not teal. All right. I've got my white, which is ARTEZA. You know what? I'm actually going to use the hairdryer to spread the white out. Oops, my little hook. There we go. So that worked out nicely. Now I need some silicone. So I'm going to pour some of my white in there. And this is mixed with Floetrol and water. I have paint mixing videos. There's a link in the video description. I just literally mix Floetrol and water. I don't measure. I just mix until I get a consistency that I like. And you know what? I'm going to use this paper that I had written on as my swipe paper. Let's see. I need to get this over to the edge a little. Do same thing over here. And I need to turn this way. Okay, I'm swiping pretty hard at this point because there is so much paint on here. Oh my gosh, so much. You should see my drip tray. But on the plus side, it looks like that video. I'm going to blow these up a little. I think I have too much white. Easy way to get the paint off. Hope you are all having a great day. It is like 2 degrees outside, wind chill. So I went out to lunch with a friend and I have to go into work tonight and I am dreading it. Told my husband last night we need to move somewhere warm. This is ridiculous. Oh my gosh, so much paint. You should. My drip tray is very colorful. Now I've gotten this covered up. There's a bunch of bare spots right there. I think I am complete. Looks pretty darn close to the other one. Some cool colors in there. So that's how thick those edges are. I like the drips. Let's see what the other side. Ah, matching drips. Perfect. So thank you so much for watching. I'll show you the drip tray. I might do a dip in there. And have a wonderful day. I will catch you next time. Bye.